idonsela kule Bible elibhedayo. Shoot all these concepts of these gods, most importantly, from the sub-Saharan hemisphere. Iqhamuka kule Bible elibhedayo. Yonke into okhuluma ngayo.
Bayakholwa labantu lapha ukuthi abafuna iqiniso. Bayakholwa.
According to them, laba bathi umvelo omncane. Kahle bakhuluma ngoyawo.
Exactly. You know what?
Kutheni singake sinikwe makhuluma kwesisenzi
Mnumzane wadeni uzongena mnumzane. Mkhizwane.
Yabona Thula. One day when you eventually come back to try and explore your spirituality, you will find out ukuthi lento le umsusa wayo yonke into ekhona nengekho. You can never name it. The moment one egama, the moment one a phrase to try and define, usukhuluma ngoyo. The moment
So shuthi ngamanye amazwi bayathanda bathandi bona bakhonza uyawe bayibiza ithunywa kanti ithunywa ilento lena abayibiza ngengelosi lapha kule Bible elibhedayo okunye futhi okunye kuningi nawo kahle
racket, guys. It's a big racket. Honestly speaking, it's a huge spiritual racket. Edlalwayo.
Hayi okay ngiyakuzwa mnumzane.
Sacela ukuphawula bese ngiyehla. Awe ona the statement enisithulayo njengamanje akulona iqiniso kodwa but angeke siphike ukuthi bakhona abantu abakhohliswe ngaleyo nto leyo. Kodwa nje ebuqinisweni bayo ukuthi ilento enichazayo akusiyo. La ngeke ngiqale la ekuchazeni nje wonke umuntu ezocaceleka because abanye bethi so baba abanye bayela khona ekutheni bebe ubaba bekwazi ukumanage imindeni yabo. Bengeke beluke bebhayiziseka. Yabo idlozi isithunywa zonke nje lezi zinto lezi lamagama lawo asuke echaza into eyodwa nje hayi ukuthi izinto eziningi ezihlukene. Ngeke ngiqale ngenze isibonelo khona uzoyizwa lento engishoyo. Uyabo mina ngumuntu mangiye eclinic thothi ngiyagula ngiyipatient lapho. Mangiye esikolweni ngiyofunda ngiyumfundi lapho. Mangiye emall ngiyothenga ngiyicustomer lapho. Kodwa namagama ahlukene kodwa but kusakhulunywa ngomuntu oyedwa. Yayizwa leyo nto. So nakhona la kulamagama lanka ebeniwachaza idlozi kukhulunywa ngomuntu ongasekho. Isithunywa umuntu ongasekho. Ithonga umuntu ongasekho. Kuhlukene ngama phrase ukuthi labo bantu labo bahlangana kanjani nalabantu abangasekho. Njengoba kuthiwa ithonga ingoba kuthiwa uhlangana nabo ebuthongweni. Yayizwa leyo nto leyo. Ngoba idlozi mayisephakama kumuntu kuthiwa uyamdlozomela. Uma esephakama kumuntu umuntu engalele ephila lowo muntu loyo usebizwa ngani ngedlozi. Not ukuthi umoya nje ongaziwa wesinye isilwane. Ngikhuluma mina ngento eyireality nomuntu onali idlozi elakulamphakamela akukaze kwaphakama enye into kuye ngaphandle komuntu wakubo ongasekho kukhuluma yena. So manifuna ukuyicubungula ngokolwazi nangokuzwa lento ungayazi uzokholwa vele zonke ile story lezi ezikhulunywayo. Kodwa yonke lento le kusekukhulunywa ngumuntu oyedwa. Bese ke kuukuthi ke mosuhlangana nabo emsamo awasasebenzi wonke lamagama lawo. Sebebizwa ngamagama abo ngezibongo zabo. Akekho umuntu emsami ofika lapha ebabize ngamadlozi. Ethi madlozi ami sondelani kuphelele lapha. Banamagama abo. Yabo kuya ngokuthi wena uhlangana nabo kuphi. not ukuthi izinto ezinye ezihlukile. Bese kuba khona nemoya not futhi kaNkuluNkulu ngokwethu ngokwesintu, imimoya yemvelo njengoba nathi singabantu bemvelo. Khona imimoya ekhona yangaphandle eyemvelo. Okuwukuthi abantu bayakwazi ukuxhumana naleyo moya leyo. Kodwa leyo moya leyo makukhona imoya decide ukuzoxhumana nomuntu without ukuthi umuntu kube uyena ofuna ukuyoxhumana nayo. Le moya leyo ixhumana nabantu bakhaba lobo muntu ongasekho. Awukho umoya wangaphandle oletha information kumuntu kungasiye umuntu wakubo. Lowo moya loyo isayile uzoqala ukukhuluma nomuntu wakubo ongasekho, lowo muntu loyo bese ke eyokhuluma nami njengoba ngiphila. Njengoba nje sibabiza ngiyithunywa ngokwendlela abeza ngayo as if bathunyiwe, not ukuthi sekweyinye into musukhuluma ngesithunywa. Still kusawumuntu oyedwa, umuntu wakini. Umuntu okhuluma kumuntu kuse kuwumuntu wakubo. If kungasi umuntu wakubo, umoya omubi loyo, umoya noma weyilwane, ungabiza whatever umoya omubi, yabo. Ungawubiza noma ngayiliphi igama ofuna ukulinika wona. Uma ukuthi akusiyo umuntu wakini ofika kuwe ezokhuluma nawe, akusuyo umoya omuhle yokuwe. So ikanjalo ke lento, njengoba abantu ke behamba benikeza le moya le ekhona yemvelo amagama beyibize ngonomkhubulwane nani. Kodwa leyo moya ayisobe yeza yazo operate kumuntu, iphile kumuntu. Leyo moya le ingaxhumana nabantu bakuba abangasekho, bese kuba abantu abangasekho abaxhumana nomuntu ophilayo. Ngiyethemba mhlawumbe ngicacise kangcono mawukuthi kuzwakela.
Okay. No siyabonga Thulani. Kancane nje mzukulwane. Thulani ungahambi, I think basezoba nemibuzo for wena. Ungangena ke mzukulwane.
Manibulise bantu kwethu, manibulise guys. Ngikweli cala mina in Eastern Cape. Ibhlungu guys lento siyithethayo apha, sixoxa ngayo apha. And ngendlela ebhlungu ngayo ibhlungu ngento yoba abanye bathetha into abangayaziyo, bathetha into that is abayifakiwe okanye abayifundisiwe. Yabona once uthathe into oyifundiswe ngumuntu wangaphandle, ibonakalisa ungabi nalwazi lemvelaphi yakho, because one ngokobu Afrika ifuneke xa sixoxa ngalento sixoxe ngobuntu bethu, singathethi ngeencwadi ezibhalwe ngabokufika. Sithethe imvelaphi lesithetha ngayo. Ayonto eyakhiweyo nje nanjani na, yimvelaphi lesithetha ngayo. One, nxa uthetha ngedlozi, idlozi manzini, yinkosi yaphansi kwaba bakwilizwe lomoya. Kakasithetha sithi ngabantu abo bahlele kwileveli yeziphiwo zakubo, iziphiwo ezikuthiwa zisedlozini, ngaba bathwasa ngokwahlukana kwabo ebugqirheni, ubungoma ngokulandiza ngokohlukana kwabo. Aba bangenwa ngabantu abadala ababizwa ngabantu abakuthiwa basedlozini, akuthiwa ulidlozi. Abo bantu kuthiwa basedlozini. It means baphansi kobukhosi obuthile baphansi kwamanzi mhlambi ke mhlambi abanye bangangayi-understand ubukhosi baphansi. Uye kwisithunywa, isithunywa sisithunywa sikaMdali, ngumoya osumbiza ngoba sisithunywa sikaMdali. UMdali ngumdali wento zonke. Babembiza ke okhokho bethu ngaphambili besithi nguQamata ngokwethu. Thunywa othunywe ngumdali, uhlala abo babephiwe enyameni, bahlala bathi kababizwa abo sibabiza sithi ngabathandazeli, abanye babo aba baba baneziphika, abanye babe namajasi, ngabantu abasesithunyweni abo. Abantu abasedlozini aba basesithunyweni uzobabona ngokusebenzisa 1 amanzi, 2 imbidane, abekho eyezeni, abekho kwimithi, basebenzisa utswayi amanzi ilantuza imbidane, sebenza ngomthi abo. Basebenza ngomthi, tuyitse bona behle straight basebenza ngomthi. Abo bantu bobabini lezo concept zobini kawuzibizayo ngokuthi edlozini nasesithunyweni, uzeke ubiza
inetwork yami noma inetwork ye-speaker lehluphayo angisanderstand.
Hayi nami ngiyanqamukela ngapha.
vakala
Uyena bani ongathengela ugesi?
hayi mna ndilanduza ndi-right but andiyazi noba yi-network na, but ke ndizama ukuthi kwezo concept zoyi-2 zii-practice ze-African spirituality, kuthiwa xa zibizwa ngokokwantu kuthiwa zezomoya zakwantu, ezomoya zakwantu zase-Afrika. Now nxa uthetha ngoNomkhubulwana uthetha ngesinye sezithunywa, nxa sibiza kuba ngumoya uNomkhubulwana omele i-entity ethile ekubizwa kasiyibiza sithi nguMother Earth. Nxa siyikhumsha uNomkhubulwana ngulona umele izinto zomhlaba kakhulu. Sonke isithunywa nesithunywa sine department okanye sine entity esiyimeleyo. Akukho sithunywa esimele konke. Lo moya wesithunywa umele i-entity ethile. I-religion
Mr. Mzukulwana, sathi akushaya i-network lapho.
ngento yokuba zonke izinto ezithunywa zizinto ezisuka eBhayibhelini, ayikho lonto. Izithunywa ngabantu abahlelwe ngumoya, umoya osubiza ngoba sisithunywa. Ungumoya ongena kubantu abathile abachongiweyo abakwilevel yelanti yabathandazeli nabanye abasebenza ngokomoya nabanye basebenza ngokomoya but bona bakula level yobuthandazeli abo bantu. Now iba buhlungu ke ngendlela ayicacisa ngayo ubhuti apha esiphakathini and isisithuko kuthi as Africans nxa uzosixelela ngento yoba ingathi asinayo indlela yokukhonza. Indlela yokukhonza sinayo, yekanjelena indlela yokukhonza abadala sibakhonza amadlozi, asikhonzi izidalwa. Mandize apha kwezidalwa. Izidalwa ngaba babephile emhlabeni bemka basweleka okanye bemka emhlabeni bangasaphiliyo, sibabiza ngezidalwa kuba ngabo abanxulumelana nathi. Thina asinxulumelani nesithunywa straight, sinxulumelana naba bantu babephile emhlabeni behlele kwilevel yesithunywa. Sinxulumelana naba babephile emhlabeni bakwilevel yedlozi. Awugwena awunxulumelani nedlozi straight, unxulumelana nalona wayenikwe isipho esisedlozini. Usisidalwa lo muntu akalodlozi. Thina ke simbiza kweli cala lamaXhosa sithi sisinyanya.
Esemntu omdala awusincedisa nani nikhonzani futhi nje, just those two questions. Nikhonza phi nanikhonzani futhi?
Ukukhonza akakhonzwa umuntu wayephile emhlabeni, wayephuma esibelethweni somfazi. Kukhonzwa umdali, nguye okhonzwayo kuba but khange udisrupt kwawena ubulantuzile buthethile wayekwa wagqika.
Futhi umbuzo nami kade nginawo. Uma ukhuluma ngokukhonza, nani khonzani, nikhonza bani, nikhonza phi?
Kwakukhonzwa umdali. Umdali nguye wayekhonzwa, kuye kuthunyelwa imiyalezo kwizidalwa zithumele kwizithunywa. Izithunywa zithumela kumdali. Abo bahlele edlozini, uthumele edlozini, ukhwaza idlozi lakho, ucela izibusiso edlozini lakho ngokwendlela yedlozi, ngokwe-communication yedlozi. Idlozi licele esithunyweni. Ayikho into yokuba wena mntu mnyama okanye ucommunicator straight nomdali. Wena ucommunicator nalona wayekhona ngaphambili kuwe. Yena acommunicate nalo ungaphambili kuye. Because sine hierarchy thina singama Africa. Asikhonzi any Dick and Harry. Umuntu okhonzwayo ngumdali only. Kuba thina ke ngokwendlela yethu thina simbiza ngoba ngumfihlakalo, kuba usebenzele emfihlakalweni, zonke izinto zakhe ziyimfihlakalo. Okhokho bona babembiza ngoba nguQamata. Bayayazi concept boba babembiza ngoba nguQamata kuba kutheni, because unikwa igama but yena engabuzange abonwe, but umbona umnika igama ngokomisebenzi yakhe.
Tata
awuniki because
intetha yakho tata nje ungabe utata upha ku Revelation Spiritual Home ngoba ngaba abantu bale ntetha yakho.
Mhlekazi kaloku i-revelation iyafika, ineminyaka ikhona i-revelation. Okhokho bethu babekhona ngaphambili before the revelation. Now thina siyincanca kokhokho bethu lesithethayo. The revelation i-restore into yayikhona kokhokho bethu, into yayikhona ngaphambili. Kodwa exactly le nto siyithethayo thina
imaxhego lam bendingathethi to offend you or to judge, bendithi uba
I understand the language oyithethayo ba ngokwangoku yintetha evela kwabantu esibabona baphuma pha kwela khaya ekuthiwa i-revelation. So bendibuza uba nawe uphana okanye nje le ntetha yakho uyithetha ungekho phaya. That's all.
Jonga mkhulwane, ndithetha ndingomnye wabantwana baphaya, kodwa intetho lena ndiyithethayo ayifiki ne-revelation. Intetho le ndiyithethayo yayikhona kookhokho bethu. Mna owam ukhokho ndizelwe ndilantu usweleke sendikhona owam ukhokho, and wandibonisa wandixelela nangezinye izinto zomoya nangendlela yepractice eyayikhona yayingeka i-revelation yafika, yabo. And i-revelation yenza exactly eza zinto okhokho bethu aba badala bebesixelela ngayo indlela yokwenza ngokwezemimoya zakwantu. And ukuze ube uyaya e-revelation e-revelation
Cesa mzukulwane, angilwi mina mzukulwane, but yabona umbuzo wami uyawuphendula, but you are saying what we never used to do. We didn't do this, we didn't do that, we didn't do this. Umbuzo wami ubuclear. Ngabe sasikhonza bani, simkhonza kuphi? Not ukuthi we didn't used to do this, we didn't used to do that.
Sasikhonza umdali. Umdali sasimkhonza kwindawo zonke sasizipointa khona sisithi zi-spiritual signal point zabantu abadala. One, abanye bebekhonzela phezu kwemilambo, abanye babekhonzela phezu kwentaba, abanye babekhonzela kufitshane namalwandle, abanye babekhonzela kufitshane namahlathi. Xa bebeyibiza ngesingesi esi salapha bathi zi-spiritual signal points ezo, apho khona bebenxulumelana nomdala okanye babenxulumelana nezithunywa namadlozi wabo. Bengakhonzi kwindawo apho khona kusithiwa no si-decide ukuthi makwenziwe le ndlela, makwenziwe le ndlu sibe sikhonzele kule ndawo. But i-African spirituality iya involve because i-African spirituality ayihlali in one generation, in one era. Iyaqhubeka because ubomi buyaqhubeka. And each and every era i-African spirituality ine-guide. Ukuze ukubona uba asizukuhlala kulanto zakukonyaka abadala sithi kwakusenziwa oku, but i-African spirituality iteacher ngendlela esiqhubeka ngayo currently ngelo xesha ngalo era. Ingazishiyi nezi zakudala isithi kwakusenziwa kanje uqhutywa kanje.
Siyakuza mnewethu, cela sinokuphilana laphana ngathi uza nentetha baba. Ngoba uhambiselana nawe bhuti wami omdala. Nayo ukhuluma the same thing ukuthi abekhonza uMvelinqangi. uMvelinqangi qhamuka futhi wanithi uwumdali, manithi uwumdali nazi ngani uwumdali. Niyakholwa ukuthi uwumdali noma niyazi ukuthi uwumdali. Nazi kanjani ukuthi uwumdali. Yabona? Awungene mfowethu aphumulana nawe. Ngabe ikhipodora mnewethu philani, ngabe ikhipodora, ngabe ikhipodora. Hayi wemene mina mfethu ngikholela nalento obaleka.
Wambalekisa manje uphilana wona. Bengifuna ukumfaka kahle mina umthusile. Ake size uDavid. David.
Sanibonani ekhaya.
Khamba kahle David.
Siyaphila nkosi zami, niyaphila nina?
Shap.
Hayi bahlonje, hey ngiyayiza, hayi inzima lento. Yabona kona lento le. Hayi. Uyabona ngokucabanga kwami sicabanga ukuthi siyayazi kodwa hayi asiyazi impela. Hayi. cause uyezwa nje abantu bayachaza ngendlela abachaza ngazo kodwa nje ayizifike nje la.
Nangu uphila nebuya. Nangu uphila nebuya
bafowethu
ngibona.
kupresseka indawo errong la efonini hey bafowethu.
Sorry mfowethu.
Wangena mkhulu.
Hayi.
Ya mina bafowethu ngimile kuleya yayo ukuthi iAfrican spirituality is an ongoing thing. Akuyona into yokuthi manje njoba kuqala sasikhonza umveli nqangi manje sisakhonza umveli nqangi. Sisakhonza yena umveli nqangi up until kuze kufike ke lenkolo eyafika ngemkhumbi yabo yase isitshena ukuthi kungcono lokwayo kunalokhu kwethu yabo kodwa into imile ukuthi konke okwethu ku right umveli nqangi kusewuqamatha kusewuja kusewuJehova kusewuNkulunkulu kusewubani ukuthi wena umbiza kanjani ngoba namaNdebele ambiza ngendlela yabo namavenda ambiza ngendlela kodwa kusewuNkulunkulu lo okuyena umdali wezulu nomhlaba ngokwazi kwami yabo lo ndaba okusho ukuthi ke akushintshe lutho bafowethu ukuthi wena uyakholela kule nkolo yafika ngemkhumbi noma awukholelwa kodwa ekugcineni sinomveli nqangi uyedwa ukuthi ushintsha igama ngendlela yokuthi yena futhi umveli nqangi wahlukanisa nangobuzwe bethu wahlukanisa futhi even nangebala lethu kuhambisana necondition la asibeke khona ngoba nje kukhona abantu abamnyama khona abantu abamnyamana nje kahle bese kukhona abelungu abamhlophe kube khona abelungu abamhlophe nje futhi kahle ongezwe kuze kube yihaba yabo so ke nje bafuthi uNkulunkulu uyedwa umveli nqangi uyedwa it depends ukuthi wena wakubeka kuyipi icontinent noma icountry ngiyabonga bafowethu
mana xhego lami siyabulisa mfundisi kancane nje umkhizwana ngiyamcela ubhuti manje philani uma ngabe wena uthi umveli nqanga noJehova into eyodwa wena ushuthi wena ke umveli nqanga uye lo wahamba nabantwana bakaIsrayeli wakhetha abantwana bakaIsrayeli kuphela wanganikhethi nina futhi waba uNkulunkulu kaIsrayeli naqhubeka nina niyathandaza umoya usho njalo bhuti
no nakho la ungayibambi khona wena manje usungifakele lenkolo wayitshenwa eyafika ngemkhumbi usungitshena ngayo umntwana bakaIsrayeli wathi kwacima la mina ngikhuluma ngomveli nqangi owasidala ukuthi kwenye continent wenzani wathibani kuphila kuphi ya
uthe wena asile uthe wena umveli nqangi uJehova uqamata into eyodwa lapho wazwa mention igama ethi uJehova now ake sikhulumeke ngegama lika Jehova uJehova thina simazi kuuNkulunkulu wesizwe sikaIsrayeli owakhetha isizwe yes manje ushuthi wena ke ulo mveli nqangi omshoyo othi unguJehova ukhuluma ngaye lo owalisa oMose ulwandle olubomvu wakuyeka wena is the same Jehovah owenza no bhuti wami is the same Jehovah owadedela ukuthi thina mina nawe nokhokho bethu sifike sizolulwaza sizocolonizwa ngabantu abathizeni bethi beshumayela yena uJehova kusho wena bhuti ne uye lo mkhuluma ngayo Jehova
ngizophinda futhi ngizame futhi mhlawumbe uzoyizwa kangcono ngithi yabo mina lo uNkulunkulu engikhuluma ngayo omveli nqangi owuqamatha owubani ngiphinde ngiyasho futhi ukuthi lo uNkulunkulu mina engikhuluma ngaye kuse uNkulunkulu lo omveli nqangi yabo ukuthi osibani bafika basitshena ukuthini la kulelizwe basitshena ngokuthina asilutho basitshena ngokuthi omunye wanqamula izwe kanjani wakhishwa abani kakuphi koGibhithe bayiswa koIsrayeli uNkulunkulu kaIsrayeli thina wasishiya sinjena njengoba usho anginayo loke elinye engingalisho kakhulu kulo mbuzo wakho, kodwa engikwaziyo nengikholwa kukona ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyedwa noma ngabe washiya ngaphandle thina wakhetha obani, kodwa engikusho ukuthi mina uma ngiyoguqa esibayeni ngibiza omkhulu, ngibiza obaba nokhokho bami ukuthi bangihambisele umyalezo kumveli nqangi. Mina ngisabiza the very same uNkulunkulu omenzi wezinto.
Wazi ngani ukhona umveli nqangi?
Angizwa?
Wazi ngani ukuthi ukhona umveli nqangi?
Lalela phela mina ngumuntu angiyona angisona isilwane asikholelwa ndawo, mina ngumuntu
uze umbuzo wami angizami nokulwa nawe. Mina angazi ukuthi ukhona umveli nqangi, angikholwa futhi ukuthi ukhona umveli nqangi. Mina wena uthi ukhona umveli nqangi okholwa kuyena, uthi wena uyesibayeni ufike ubize yena bese okhokho bakudlulise umyalezo kuyena. Sengithi mina wazi ngani ukuthi ukhona futhi why uthi ukhona umveli nqangi?
Ngizophinda futhi yila bengizama ukuya khona wase ungena emadevini. Ngithi ke mina njoba ngumuntu, umuntu fanele kube khona lento okholelwa kuyona. Yakithi yabona manje mina ngiyakholelwa kumveli nqangi, angazi ke noma mhlambe ke ukhona yini kunina nonke njengoba sikhuluma la kwipanel oseke wambona uNkulunkulu nowazi ukuthi yena la ekholelwa khona ngempela lo muntu ukhona. Into ekhona kuthina nje ukuthi into ekhona njengoba sabantu kufanele ukholelwe somewhere, yabo.
Ayikho into leyo, ayikho into leyo. Mina nawe yabo lapho inasingavumelani khona la nami nasobabili. Ingakho ngithi mina futhi wena uyakholwa awazi ukuthi ukhona umveli nqangi. Ingakho uthe usemfihlakalweni. Njengoba semfihlakalweni vele it doesn't exist ngoba wona usho kahle ukuthi uyakholwa awazi ukuthi ukhona. Uyathembela ukuthi ukhona ekuthiwa umveli nqangi. Ubiza ugogo nabomkhulu benziwe. Awazi ukubona umveli nqangi. Ngoba akekho.
Yebo. Hayi ukuwena futhi nalokho uthi akekho. Kukuwena futhi nalokho uthi kodwa kumina ukhona ngoba izinto ezenzeka empilweni yami mina ziyangitshengisa ukuthi kukhona la engikholelwa khona and kukhona la impendulo engiyifuna ziqhamuka khona, yabo. Ngoba nami ngumuntu ngiya-exista, I'm unique, ngiya-exista as my own rights, yabo. Nginelungelo lokukholelwa somewhere ukuthi ngiyakholela ukuthi ukhona noma ngikholela ukuthi akekho. It's a non-factor. Okubalekile ukuthi mina ngiyakholwa kumveli nqangi engakhula ngitshenwa ngaye abakithi abayibala lami abakhuluma ulimi lami. Angithathanga into yafika ngemkhumbi ngayenza yaba yiqiniso, yabo. So ke njena njengoba ngisho ukuthi uma ngingena esibayeni ngiyokhuluma nabakithi ukuthi ngibangicele kumveli nqangi ukuthi kwande imfuyo yami esibayeni, ikona okumina okungisizayo.
Yebo. So kahle hle wakambuza umkhulu kodwa emkhulu. Njengoba uthi khona into ekuthiwa umveli nqangi wadala izulu nomhlaba. Ukhona ngempela noma mkhulu uyakholelwa nawe wathi umkhulu uyakholelwa. Nawe you just believe ukuthi umkhulu nawe uyakholelwa nawe wasakholelwa. Nawe futhi uzotshela futhi ingane ukuthi azikholwe ukuthi khona into ekuthiwa umveli nqangi. Just because when you believe nomkhulu wakho wayibeliever nabo khokho nabo babebelieve.
Ayikho into erongi. Ayikho into erongi ngalokho. Ayikho into erongi ngalokho because African spirituality ayibhalwe ndawo isuka from mouth to mouth, yabo. Idlule njalo from generation to generations, yabo. And uma umkhulu wami wayekholelwa kulokho, ngimbona umkhulu enza izinto ezi-right futhi ondla umndeni wakhe, egada imfuyo yakhe, ebuyela umuzi wakhe uba muhle, enza nje konke oku-right okuhambisana nama-norms empilo, yabo. Kumina lokho kuyanginika ukuthi ikhona lento umkhulu akholelwa kuyona, bese ngiqhubeka nami ngikholele kuyona ngenze ngoba umkhulu ngimbona enza, ethanda imfuyo yakhe, ethanda igceke lakhe, enza zonke izinto okufanele azenze, ehamba imgido ngoba nemgidi iyimthandazo. Unlike njengoba laba abangaphandle sebeyibuka imigidi njengento engasile eyenziwa amaqaba, yabo njengoba basiqamba basenza
So in
abahedeni
other words,
basibiza ngayo zonke lezi zinto lezi.
yes. So then in other words, you just follow customs of the older people, and also you follow izinto ababekhoya kuzona. You didn't question them, you just followed. The same thing also yenza ingane zakho ukuthi they just have to follow. So abafowethu la abasibuzayo laphana ukuthi thina we are asking you this question. It's because they don't want to ask critical questions to this question, a thing called religion. Manje inkinga esinayo yile yokuthi thina kanjalo. Mina angisho ukuthi wrong into yokukholelwa mnewethu. Into engizama nokuyibalekela ukuthi we shouldn't just believe without questioning every custom ezinto ezikhona kanjalo. Because njengamanje mawuthi ukhona umbelunqane ingane angasiniki izinto ezingcono thina kanjalo ezizositheka to continue with life. Ingane angasinika ama-ideas amasha about AI noma mhlawumbe umhlaba ozayo. Njalo kumele sikholele ukuthi kumele sishintshane nempepho engekho kanjalo. Ngiyabona into kanjalo. Why singanikwa imfundo emihle about engineering and everything for better continuity? Amathana phambili, they are atheists all of them. Kodwa thina simile la kanjalo famisa umbelunqane famisa onkulunkulu. Asindawo ukuthi la kanjalo. Ithale way far. Banamabhomu nayo yonke asinalutho thina sinafakho asinamali sinathiwa lo siphamisa iy'ntelezi nempepho. You must see the iron in that shit ukuthi ngempela there's something wrong with izinto esiy'folowushayo ngempela. Angizami ukuthi ku-wrong, but why should you question them then? Lokho ngikubuzayo.
Ngiyakuzwa Ona, ngiyakuzwa umbuzo wakho phela ngoba njengoba sikhuluma la sidebate ngezinto siyafunda futhi. It's not about to critique abanye abantu. Yabona nje mina wena Ona ngiyawuzwa nombuzo obuzayo njengoba uzowafaka ngisho iChina. EChina abayazi leyo nto yokukholelwa kobani ko Jesus Christ kobani unless kunama orthodoxy ke khona ke ngicabanga ukuthi akhona oba bakhona nama China seligcina ilokhuzana aseligcina iphasika selihlonipha ilani iphasika no Christmas, but entirely nje eChina bakhonza whatever bakukhonzayo, but they are progressive. Benza zonke izinto lezi banayo yonke into ongayicabanga nabo AI laba ngicane baqhamuka kubona amafonda esiwaphethe aqhamuka kubona. And ngiyavumelana nawe mina ukuthi thina as black people or Zulus we are just primitive, or ngingazi ngabe Zulus ngiyaxolisa lelo, just thina Africans yabo asinawo, we got nothing to show on our hands ukuthi thina senzeni, thina sazi ukwenzani, thina sinani, yabo siphila ngenkongozelo yezinye izizwe ngoba namabhasi ephuma ekseni namatekisi ephuma ekseni asuke eya esilungwini siyosebenzela bona belungu ze bathuthuke, yabo so nginawe lapho ndoda.
Yes. What if ngizivala amabhayibheli zivala le godo sicisha le impepho, and we just say, to be honest, bafethu
esibizayo laphana sikhuluma sodwa. Masithandaza lapha singekho. So sikhuluma sodwa. So kumele sibe liqiniso bese
amarazi
bese siyama sisibaphethe okay. Ay. Bese sabuzana umbuzo oqinisekile bafethu. Njengoba singakwazi ukwenza u1 no2 no3, what can we do? Siyaphendulana. Ngoba singakwazi ukwenza u1 no2 no3, yingani phona masibuza ogogo njalo besitshela ukuthi kumele sihlabe imbuzi. Yingani masibuza ogogo something ebalekile kanjalo basithatha senze ukuthi nokuthi. Let's be honest with ourselves, bafethu man. It's 2026. Ngeke losibuyela eMumba siloku 19 Mpewula. Losikhuluma the same thing namanje ababekhuluma the same thing abafethu. Mina ngakho uthi yabona mina iyangihlonipha indaba yokukholelwa. We must know manje kuphela.
Kancane nje amakhi ungangena ne?
Mina bengicela ukungena ngizophendula
Kancane mamfundisi. Kancane uzomphendula.
Oh,
Imama Fodes, Amak.
yeah. Mina ngizophendula ona. I think ubhuti maybe akakwazanga ukumphendula ngale ndlela engicabanga ngayo. Ukuthi kunomveli nqanga into esakhula abazali bethu besitshela bethi umveli nqanga umuntu osiphethe ofana oNkulunkulu kithi. You understand? Sikhula kanjalo. So ke kodwa sizoba nenkinga ukuthi angazi mina abanye mina la abakhulela khona ukuthi bona makukhulunywa ngoNkulunkulu kuyakhulunywa ngoNkulunkulu or kuyavele kuphilwe nje angazi mhlambe lapho kuphila khona ona ngisho ukuthi ku wrong. You understand? But into engizele mina yilena ukuthi uma ngabe athi ubhuti into akhule yenziwa abantu abebengaphambi kwakhe. Mina ngithi abazali ngoba ngingazi ukuthi ugogo wami uyobe ekhuluma ngomveli nqangi nomkhulu wami bengikhona, you understand? So ona uthi no ukuthi uzwile. Yazi ukuthi ona uma singaya ngokuzwa phela even uma wakho okuzalayo wawukhona uma wakhe ekuzala wezwa bakutshela kathi umama kaona lo. You understand? So uma sizophika ukuthi into masiyitsheliwe irongo sizophika size siphika abazali bethu ngoba awubuze uma utshela ngoNkulunkulu noma utshela ngobuzali wakho ubaba wakho noma wakho awukazi ubuze ukuthi uya ngempela cha kodwa ukhula wena umkhonzile wazi ukuthi uma wami lo kodwa watshelwa wawungekho iyafana exactly lento ke noNkulunkulu ukuthi you can question ukuthi how uya ngempela vele umveli nqanga ngoNkulunkulu usoma mase uzothi ubhuda akaquestionanga like wena wa question ukuthi uma wakho cha cause into okhula ngayo umncane akusho ukuthi ayikho ngoba nakho
yabona ngilapha
awuquestionanga
yabona ngilapha kupenda bakho shushi kuba umveli nqanga kube gogo ulokhuza nonanga ugogo wakho noma mhlambe umama omdala wakho kanjalo mhlambe okhokho kanjalo base bacela ukuthi umveli nqanga ufuna ukuthi sezimthathelwe ngengane every day. I mean after 6 months. Oyokwenza lokho gogo.
umveli nqanga
no uthi wena there was no need for ukuthi ubhuti abuze ama-question about umveli nqanga.
Angisho ukuthi ubhuti there was no need like ngisho ukuthi into okule ngamakhulu ekhathi wadliwa ipapa nakho ukudla uyabuza ukuthi hayi lokhu kudla ngikudlela uyadla so lento le ifana nje nokudla ukuthi you can question into ayitsheliwe ifana umutshela ukuthi nabazali angeke kwazi ukuthi yilo ngempela okay ngikudla ngempela umveli nqanga into ekhula njengokudla ukuthi uyazi uyazi ukuthi abazali bami bathe so akukho famous ukuze ubhuti ukuthi wakholelwa ngempela enjalo vele awukwazi
okay nambuza so if abazali bakho bakutshela ukuthi wena umveli nqanga every month udinga ukuthi sezimhlatshelo sishise umuntu every 6 months after 6 months
lezo zinto izinto esikhule sazi ukuthi umveli nqanga umini ukuthi akazidingi izinto ezisathana
ngithi mina gogo ukube
kancane nje ona silungise laba abahleli la kancane nje bamuse phela ukudlala ngengane ingane kade ivulile la. She's not even asking for ama gift nje ukuthi nje ni tap iscreen bafethu ni support live sibaningi kakhulu la asingadla amandla wengane sibonke
siyabonga
nokho ngithi mina ngoba wena uthi yonke into lena oyifundile about umveli nqanga ufunde kubantu abasemumva and ubhuti was not liable to just ask questions. Sangithi mina ke ukube umveli nqanga wathi mina every 6 months ngifuna ukushisa umuntu wena wawuyoyenza lento leyo.
Yeah, as long as phela ubusuku ungazi ukuthi kuyisono ku wrong ukuthi thina sikhule besitshela umveli nqanga akazifuni izinto ezinjalo. So yizona izinto kahle ezemimoya emibi ezobumdaka ezobumnyama izinto zobumdaka lezo. So yile ababesikhula thula phela ethula ngiqedele yile ababethi umveli nqanga umelene nazo umveli nqanga izinto angazifuni ingakho angibebe khona abantu abathakathi abazenza izinto ezinjalo besazi ukuthi umveli nqanga akazifuni lezo zinto ubungcwele bethu umveli nqanga yilento lebe besikhulisa ngayo. So akwazi ke thina ukuthi umveli nqanga unless laba abanye mhlambe kwezinye izizwe bebethi umveli nqanga ufuna ukuchithwa kwegazi lomuntu cha thina
because mina the reason ngithi nomfowethu he was supposed to ask questions about umveli nqanga nalabo nkulunkulu nazo zonke lento lezo kanjalo. It's because I'm trying to
ngizothi bengasi debate dala njengoba udebate
Bobo
debate you just asking questions. Yabona manje ingane zamanje zokubuza emehlweni.
Yes, esamanje exactly.
Yebo phela khokho. Into phela ithuba phela khokho ngikubuze kahle. Yabo, the reason ngithi mina umfowethu kwakumele abuze ama questions is because kwakumele abe no-understanding.
Ona wawabuza ama question ngoma wakho nangibuze wena xa ngathi mabethatha uma wakho lo wawungekho exactly. Wawabuza ukuthi uma wazange ubuze lo mbuzo nithi because into oyitshela like ukuthi uvele nqanga.
Ngitshela ngomnuthi mama baba.
Lalela
The Cox.
Topic on. Hayi on.
Mina bengizomphendula lokho kuphela uona inkinga manje ona vele uya resist. So mina ngizokutshela ukuthi leyo nto i-common sense ukuthi uma ukhuliswe ekhaya ngomveli nqangi awukwazi ukubuza ukuthi hayi akusuye ngempela.
Do you know how today's topic?
Ngaleso sikhathi kurasa nengane.
Ona sacela ukuyingena le ekamveli nqanga.
I-topic namhlanje uyayazi yini?
No, bengizophendula uona ngiyaphuma. Vela azange ngize ngithi ngizohlala for i-topic. Bengizocacisela on ukuthi ukufundiswa ngoNkulunkulu kufana nokufundiswa ngomzali wakho. Angeke ukwazi ukubuza ngoba into okhulela kuyo usekhaya usakhule ekhaya, you understand? Uzokhuluma nolwazi lokho kubuza into yamanje. Angizange kuzolwa mina njoba elwa ifuyalwa mina ngizomtshela ukuthi ubhuti like yena bekungekho ukubuza ukuthi ngoba uNkulunkulu umdali umveli nqangi umelene nezinto ezimbi uyakwazi lokho any person ositho nqoma umuntu wenzani usuyazi ukuthi umveli nqanga akazifuni lezo zinto. So ke yilokho ubhuti abekwazi njengoba wazi ukuthi umzali wakho into embi akayifuni uNkulunkulu ufana ngeke uze question because into efana naleyo awukwazi uaccuse ubhuti ukuthi why bengaquestion why bethin into ngeke uziquestion njengoba ungamquestionanga umzali wakho na ukuthi ngabe uwe ngempela ngabe wangizalela kuphi ngempela into ngeke uzuyiphendula into efana nomveli nqanga. I mean ngeke uzuyibuza akukho lula nje ukuthi uzoyibuza ukuthi ngempela na.
Mama Mfundisi sacela ukuthi ngeke ngiyiphendule nami le mhlambe ngendlela ehlukile kunale enibeka ngayo. Umveli kuqala lo ekukhulunywa ngaye ngokwesintu nje nangokomlando akasiyo uNkulunkulu. Into esasinayo kithi eyayinkulu ukudlula yonke into eyayikhona emhlabeni nento eyayinkulu eyayiphethe abantu kwakuba inkosi. Iyona nje yokugcina nje mangathiwa khona into esikhothama kuyo kwakuyinkosi kuphela. Mangithi kwakuyinkosi njengomisa izulu njengoba eyinkosi yayingekho enye into eyindlula yena kwaNkulunkulu loyo wayengekho wayinga exist even exist ekutheni sangakhona umuntu odlula inkosi kwakuphelela lapha enkosini. Umveli kuqala abantu nje babekholelwa ukuthi kwaba khona umuntu okuqala owavela kuqala okuyena kumveli kuqala loyo ingekho futhi into akangakusiza ngayo umveli kuqala noma ngathiwa yini oyicelayo ayikho into akangakusiza ngayo just nje umlando nje ukuthi ukhona umuntu owavela kuqala. So akukho ke lapho kwakuthiwa khona wayekhonzwa noma kwakhona something ongayifuna kuye njengoba uze wabala ukuthi lento le ekukholwa sizihlulwa ama-China nani ama-China sihlulwa ngento eyodwa ukuthi into ayicabangayo nento afuna ukuyenza yayenza. Thina ziningi izinto noma maningi amaphupho esinawo esingakaze siwenze esingakaze siqale even ukuqala siwenza noma siwaqala sihluleke endleleni nangaphandle ukuthi siyahluleka nje siya give up noma ukuvilapha yabo. So awukwazi ukuthi ama-China njengoba ekwazi ukwenza izinto kangaka izinto benzelwa uNkulunkulu wabo amanga lawo noma enzelwa izinto abakholelwa kuzona kwamanga lawo. Nawe futhi uyobuya sikhohlisa uma ukuthi kunezinto ozifunayo bese ke uzifuna entweni okholela kuyona usukukhohlisa lapha ayikho into kanjalo engenzeka ikusize futhi kulekelele kuloko.
Most of them they're atheists. I said those people don't believe in shit.
I think abantu understand ama-China anoNkulunkulu awanayo uNkulunkulu ano-God ama-China
Udlala kokos. Bathi nguyeke.
ano-God ama-China ubaba
Uthini ona ngikuze kulento oyishoyo
Mina ngazi nikuthatha ukuthi ama-China awanabo uNkulunkulu, awanaNkulunkulu. ama-China noNkulunkulu abaningi ama-China. Ayakhonza ama-China noNkulunkulu.
Angithi noma ngathiwa
Kodwa
bayakhonza
akhonza ngendlela yesi-China njengoba nathi sasikhonza ngendlela yesi-Afrika.
noma ngathiwa bayakhonza kodwa akubona onkulunkulu babo abenza ukuthi ba-achieve lento abayi-achievile njengamanje.
Kulane kancane nje mamfundisi kancane nje saningibambela kancane. Mkhizwaneni yeah, awusifaka kwi-topic mhlampe uzo-understand mamfundisi and then base submit usilandele nombuzo.
Before Mkhizwaneni asifaka ku-topic, Mkhizwaneni kumele nivume ukuthi amabhunu anishaya azanishaya naze navuma ukuthi uNkulunkulu ukhona, whether usesintwini anishaye anitrapile, kumele nivume nibanikeze amaflawa, nibagaya amaflawa wabo. If senikwazi ukuthi uMveli kuqala wayekhona, le nifundiswe uMveli kuqala abantu beba colonized, bona self beba colonized, banifundisa ngoMveli kuqala, senithi into yakudala. Hayi yekelani. Ungachubeka Mkhizwaneni.
Usugadleka kangaka sefuna kutheni mina manje.
Vumani nje, vumani ukuthi hayi
No,
kuzo
mina kade ngavuma.
Okokuqala mina ngimazi uMveli kuqala ngazi uMveli Nqangi nothi kuqala. Ukuqala lo ngihlale ngimuzwa la ka-TikTok. Thina sazi uMveli Nqangi.
whether ubani mara okusala kumele nivume ukuthi ukuze nizicreatele lama-gods, it because of yona inkolo yalabantu la, uze nizicreatele labo ukuthi sekunomdali. Akunanto ekuthiwa umdali, but ngoba abokhokho benu beba-colonized, yinto ebanifundise yona yena, sekuyiyo into enihamba nayo le, ukuthi kunomdali, kunomveli Nqangi, kunobani. Ni-colonize namadlozi konke, nawo al-colonize amadlozi. The way abantu bakhuluma ngakhona, ayi ngiyavuma ukuthi kucolonize-ke namadlozi lapho.
Shutha amadlozi weak.
So kushuthi ngamanye amazwi uchaza ukuthi nansika into edaliwe yayingekho, like angithi siyisusela lento yaMveli Nqangi ukuthi umhlaba nawo ukona, nakho sikhona sizi idalwa siyabantu, nakho sinezinto asidalanga inkomo yadalwa. You understand? Isusekela lapho lento yoMveli Nqangi nomdali, ukuthi umdali walento engikuyo, walempilo engiyiphilayo, wakulomhlaba enguphilayo, odale konke. Ingakho so manje kushuthi ama-colonizer
siyathatha enkolweni, kumele nivume ukuthi nithathe enkolweni lelo gama lokudala ngoba likaze labakho. Niqala ukugijimisa ukudala ngoba senitsheliwe ukuthi nadalwa.
Yeah, ukuthi manje uyangena ngakaqedi. So ngizama ukucacisa something. Kushuthi lento lempilo esiphilayo umhlaba nje siqala ukubona ngabantu abamhlophe laba abasicolonize ukuthi umhlaba ukhona, angathina besiphilaphi. Like angazi ukuthi thina besenze njani, like phela usho ukuthi wena thina mhlambe sasiphila emoyeni, sasiwuludo, sasingekho, kwafika abamhlophe basebethi okay nakho umhlaba siyanakhela, nakho siyazi thina ukuthi abelungu abafika namhlaba abafika ne-planet Earth. uPlanet Earth wayekhona before ama-colonizer ifika. The person owadala amalokhuzana uPlanet Earth nawo lonke lama-planet siyazi ukuthi amagumbo amando omhlaba siyazi ukuthi ukhona owadala without ucolonizer. Besikwazi lokho before befika labo bantu.
Na-colonizer navele naqala ukudala nje. Mkhizwaneni bengizazele nje uzosho ukuthi kucolonize-ke kwayidlozi, asithi futhi ngiyehle ngoba ngivele ngicasuke mangithola ukuthi abantu bagijimisa into abayiphikisa njalo ukuthi inkolo hayi inkolo, mara namhlanje bakhuluma inkolo ngoba bakhuluma uMveli Nqangi, umdali in yonke lento le ilidela back to inkolo. So abantu besinto they can't support i-statement sabo without referring to into abayifundiswe abantu bangapha ilamabhu. Ayi ngiyaniyeka.
Mina ngithi uzosho ukuthi yini ekhona before abelungu befika ke
kwakunala sikhulume lento izolusathi imajority yabo cannot say anything without ukuhamba baya lapha eBhayibhelini. Siyabonga Neo.
angazi nokuthi sikhulumeni
That is why
ngebhayibheli
mina
vele
no-Nelson
like
zoyishadela nje.
mina ngikaze ngikhulume nangebhayibheli ke shem
Yabona
angazi nje
mina bamfundisi no-Nel sizovele siyishadele nje bakithi inkinga uthi kunama-terms and conditions ngithi akabeke phansi idlozi yena uthi angibeke phansi uyawe ixabana lapho-ke so but-ke bafowethu-ke esikubonayo ra sesihleli about 6 hours la yeah. Phela manje yazi ne ufunani une indaba yami lo uyilungile straight inkingi la unayo ngithi kuye ngoba mina uyawe akalifuni idlozi uthi ngingayi kwaba nedlozi manje yena une uthi asiveleke siye kuyawe siyeke nedlozi bangayo nalumama uyabo because mina angilitholi idlozi lithi angimiye kuyawe uyawe kuphela uthi angiyeke idlozi manje akalalele lento ekhulunywayo yena ngiyadlala bafowethu bengisafuna kwehle nje ukuba tense
Mhlekazi ngicela ucacise man yabo I've been listening yabo so I just have one question there's a genealogy on the continent meaning the person who gave birth to my father and his father and his father and his father and his father, going back as far as 3000 BCE, right? Now I'm going to explain what 3000 BCE is. You have 1 CE, right? Then you have 3000 BCE. So BCE means before Christ era, right? You have one Christ. Allow me to. Allow me to
BCE it's common era.
Allow me. Yeah, it is common era or Christ era. No, let's not now change things because we want a certain narrative. Let's talk what it is. Everyone knows what I'm talking about. This is not new. So you have one Christ. Allow me to.
Don't do that, don't do that. It's common error. Somfethu khuluma nje uyofuna ukukhuluma kodwa ungazithi vele wena ocabanga ukuthi lu right kuwena yabona into leyo.
So now we are going to argue Christ era no common era because they mean the same. It refers to the same thing.
It's not the same, brother. That is widely
it refers to the same thing. No, it refers to the same thing. Let's not now try and argue.
Common error, my brother, refers to people who do not recognize Christ. Tina, we recognize Christ, and then we're gonna say before Christ. So, can you speak to a platform right now? Ngoba sikhuluma Christ. Ibeke nje straight common error. Simple.
Hello, my brother. That's what I'm saying to you. This is what I want to. Why I'm saying I'm using Christ era. There's a reason why I'm using that. Because it's relevant to the conversation that I'm having. I'm not saying it's not common era, but it's also referred to as Christ era. So it's relevant because I'm trying to explain what I'm explaining to you. So allow me to explain, right? So we have 3,000 years before 1 CE, right? From 1 CE to today is 2026 today. That's 2026 years, right? We haven't reached 3,000 years now. So how is it possible that we have a lineage that goes back as 3,000 BCE, and you say those people are from the period of the Christ era? When you say we are the people of the Bible, that's what you say. That's what you say. Amago.
Who are you referring the question to?
No, I'm referring to the fact that everyone seems to think that the Bible is our thing. And I'm just referring to you, just simple logic of saying there's a period called 1 CE to today. Then there's a period called pre-1 CE, going back as 3, and there's a genealogy that exists of those people that lived. So how can those people be of the period of 1 CE, meaning because the Christ era starts from 1 CE to today. So how are those people that were born before that period become people born after that period? How?
Can I ask you a simple question? Just a quick one. I want to understand something with you. How old is Earth? How old is Earth?
I do not know.
How old mhlambe is the human species?
I do not know.
So manje i-question yakho iya kuphi because no my brother, can you help us?
Iquestion yami
What inspired your question?
iya kule nto ethi kutheni le nto izinto zabantu zizawuthathwa ziyophoswa kwizinto zaseBhayibhileni, and yet abantu utato goes back as far as 3000 before 1 CE.
Okay, if I hear you right, you are saying I as Azona gine genealogy that has 3,000 years, right?
If we are vumu because abanye abavumi bangabantu.
Okay. Now let's say if you have that genealogy, when my brother, okay, I can tell you right now, Guti, even if 400 when you cannot trace back 400 years, kuwe. You can't. Okay, can't balelu 400 years kuwe nje.
Bra wami yabona lo muntu uthetha naye unawo umnombo wakhe usuka pha kuma uyotsho ngo-526 BCE.
Okay, my brother, ndithi mina kanibalele nje umnombo wakho and uze ne-evidence yawo umnombo wakho nje we-400 not 500. Angifuni ne-500, just 400.
Ufuna lo zala utata nalo zala utata.
Nguwo kaloku umnombo.
Ndikubalelabo.
Yeah, go back to 400, ne?
Okay. So that number one, I'll have to then how am I going to put it? We have to fix the timelines that you are talking about. First, you need to understand the timeline.
My question is straightforward.
Allow me to explain.
Forward, suka kuwe, imabhuti, suka kuwe, uyemva nimkhiphelani. You don't, abantu abangena la bezingathi bayazi, ningababakhuphi ngoba siyabafuna. Because you cannot come here. Guys, we are failing to trace back just nje u500. Mhlawumbe abanye ke bazotrace back ke abambalwa, but he can't even do u500 years. Anixelele nje nge500 people. So
no ngiyakuzwa. Makhizwena asibuyisele back kwi-topic then basengena amakhe.
Yeah, no.
Khizwana
Good. Cha bafowethu i-topic ilapha ekutheni amadlozi nesiphiwo silapho nje without including inkolo. Can we talk to into yamadlozi nesiphiwo somuntu singayibalanga nje inkolo? That's the topic of the day.
So yeah, sorry, I hear the topic of the day.
kancane nje sicela ngena amakhe. Sorry. Cela ngena amakhe. Yeah, sure.
Dingangena.
Okay, sure. No, ungangena.
Okay.
Yeah.
Greetings to all. Thank you very much for your slot. I can't fully assure you ukuthi ndizawuphendula le nto ibuzayo direct, but ndiyacinga uba kwinto endizoyithetha mhlawumbi izawusinika ezinye ii-ideas or i-perspective based on i-question yakho nale topic esithetha ngayo. So kukho indlela izinto zazisenzeka ngayo kudala nenkolelo ethi kubantu abamnyama xa into ingaziwa kwakuye kuthiwe yintakatho leyo, ngoba yinto engaqhelekanga kwaye people are failing to trace it ukuthi hayi man for sure le yenzeke phaa ukuze kubele eli hlobo ngulo wawo umntu okanye ngamanini, uyabo. Then kule nto sithetha ngayo ngoku
Yo,
Khawubuqhubeka ngangolwandle ne-genealogy usahlithi kumnumzana. Usiphathe
all right.
yakho.
So number 1. So number 1, 1820 or 1700 or 2026, you inherited that from Europeans. So let's take it out of the equation. So for a reference in terms of timelines on the continent, your only source is the Palermo Stone of Kemet, right? So that's your first understanding. So according to how I've calculated, right? 1822 is the equivalent of 50 BCE. 1822 of Gregorian timeline is the equivalent of 50 BCE because on the continent, the only timeline we can rely on is recorded in Palermo Stone. 1822, ka Gregory, we already know. There's nothing new about January 1st. We already know that. So that's not our new year. And we already know that a day doesn't start at midnight. We already know that a week doesn't have 4 days. For 7 days, it has 10 days. And we already know a month doesn't have 4 weeks, it has 3 weeks. That we already know.
Sorry,
So,
ngangolwandle.
yes.
Yes, angazi noma uyizwile le topic.
Yeah. No, ndifuna ndibuyela kaloku emnombeni.
Next.
Ndifuna ubuyela emnombeni. So umnombo osuka kum, ngutata ibe ngutata omkhulu. Utata omkhulu uzalwa ngubholonci, ubholonci azalwe ngumditshu, umditshu azalwe ngumthelekiso, umthelekiso azalwe nguginqa, uginqa azalwe ngumthwa, umthwa azalwe ngusiwula, usiwula azalwe ngunzimankulu, unzimankulu azalwe ngudweba, udweba ka-50 BCE. Right? Udweba ezalwa ngujama, ujama ezalwa ngulanga, ulanga ezalwa nguzizi, uzizi ezalwa ngungubonde, ungubonde ezalwa ngumasango, umasango ezalwa ngunzaba, unzaba ezalwa ngumdlangathi, umdlangathi ezalwa ngumncwaba, umncwaba ezalwa ngumiya, umiya ezalwa ngu-amasisi, amasisi ngunyana kaSamtik III. Samtik III lost at the Battle of Pelusium and he died in Iran, in what is called today Iran. Right? So that genealogy, uSamtik III, unyana kaZizi, uZizi wayengunyana kaSamtik wesibili, inyuka iyodlula kuDlamini ka-640 BCE. So xa sithetha thina ngeminombo yethu, sithetha ngeminombo yethu esiyaziyo. We've researched it. Siyifumene thina. So that's what I'm saying is that firstly you need to fix your orientation first.
Imaput. Can you calm down? Uzivile kodwa baba uthini?
Ndiziveka.
Okay. Wena uthi yonke lento sixelele yona, there is each generation 400 years. How many generation? I think there's about 9 generations. So you are telling me ukuthi usungiqelele nge-9 generations and or not?
Andigqibanga chief,
So
andigqibanga.
when you are
So
saying, wait, my brother, you are saying when
yeah.
right now.
You know, so you are trying to what I'm trying to show you here, ne? What I'm trying to show you, some of us have our history, ne? Wena if awunayo yakuwini history, sukuthi abanye abantu abanayo. I'll allow people to tell you but thina kule lo umzi kwesi sizwe esi sizwe sinayo yona umnombo waso that can even proven with DNA to top it up. We've done a DNA test ke ngoku, ne? So xa sithetha sisithi le genealogy thina siyayazi ba le genealogy predates the Christ era. So how is it possible having a genealogy that predates the Christ era uphinde uthi lo genealogy phuma kwi Christ era? Njani? Njani? How is that possible? We are from 1 CE to today. There's 226 years, not even 3,000. So ingxaki into eyenzekayo ngoku, we are trying to find a home of Bantu people outside the continent, and that's the fundamental thing
Imam
that is
Kulu,
wrong with this conversation.
uti there's 220 something years.
From 1 CE to today,
Yeah.
it's 2026, 2026 today.
You just said Pela when at 200, so I was
No, it's
correcting that.
2026 today. It's 2026 today.
Okay. Ain't daughter. Pela like.
No. That's the thing. In Dover. And you see, this is what happens. This is what happens on TikTok.
Your question or your point of correction. Ihamba nani la? I'm trying to find out. Ngoba everyone is lost la.
I come to lost about.
Christ era. Ubani othe khona abantu abavela kwi Christ era?
No, kaloku andithi wena mhlekazi ubuchilo nje earlier on uba thina singabantu beBhayibheli bekutsho wena. Andizibeni siyakude andikuzukufihlela uchilo wena. Wasithetha ngoYeshua wena. So xa uzothetha ngoYeshua, you're talking about the Abrahamic faith which came during the Christ era. So we must take any nyaniso. Masiyeke ube sizawugaslightana ngoko TikTok ube ngathi omnye umuntu usisidenge omnye uclever kunomnye. And yet xa uqala lento uyi-unpacka, xa uqala lento uyi-unpacka.
Ake sikhulume.
Baba Mkhizwana sekusele 15 minutes before kushaya u7
Mandiyeke
kaya kuphuzwa amaphilisi ngo7. Ngiyalungisa abanye sebengaqala baphuza amaphilisi abanye please.
And that's the thing, and that's the thing is that even when you talk about this history, the only thing you can do is say is you're talking nonsense. That's it. It's because, and that's the thing, is because when you do not have or you haven't found time to actually look up this information, or you are pretending as if when you're not even gonna look it up because it doesn't fit your narrative of how we are or where we come from. So
Laba ngikubuza ukuthi lo bhuti mandisi.
Ngisabathengela lela ngithi hayibo.
Bafowethu uma ucindezelekile ungawulindi u7 ushaye usheshe wathatha amaphilisi. Siyaunderstand ukuthi yiko nami ona ngisho ngithi umuzi ucindezelekile sheshe wathatha amaphilisi. Ungalindi u7 ashaya ungawathatha nangapha 6 nangu6 ku right so that you ube safe. Very important.
Mr. Mota.
Lento Thula nani azona ukuthi mangithi mina kubukeka ngathi yonke into siyithatha lapha ya abayifuqa qobo le hey awe ba
Mr. Mota, Pastor.
Thula
Ngiyaphila
mina
sihamba
saqala
kahle Pastor.
ngibona into efike yenziwa iBhayibheli kancane nje
Kancane
mbambo.
azola kancane.
Okay,
Sithethele
okay.
uPastor.
Bengifuna ukusho something la kuwe efike yenziwa iBhayibheli bese ngihlala phansi. Yazi iBhayibheli ngathi lifike lenzeni. Ingathi ifike iBhayibheli abantu mhlambi benezinto zabo beyihlelele. La selifika iBhayibheli nathi nakho na indlela. Base abantu beqala bethi hayi mina ngizokwenza kanje. Hayi mina ngizokwenza kanje. Ngoba uma ubheka omunye nomunye ucapune okuthizeni lapha eBhayibhelini nomunye ucapune okuthizeni manje uvela unga-understand ukuthi sengabe iBhayibheli elifike lathatha lento ebezikhona bekholelwa kuzo bese laqale yayinto bese labhala ngalezi zinto ebebezenza bona layichitha layihlaba awazi because none of it engafuni ukureferensa lapha ya mina uyabona u-ona at least banento yabo
ingakho azola ingakho namhlanje kunabantu abazokutshela ukuthi bangama-Israelites ngakho kunabantu abazokutshela ukuthi mefibheke phansi ngakho kunabantu abazokutshela ukuthi yonke into ebhalelwe nyakanyaka iBhayibheli ithina ingakho because they don't know they lost their identity and they want to infiltrate ama-identities abangahlangani nawo bazoyipheyinta ngopenda abangahlangani nawo yabo nje yabona futhi bangazazi yonke usukumoshi usukufile bangakwazi ukuthi uyigubhe phansi uyibuke esibukweni uyibuze imibuzo ebalulekile usukufile I'm telling you uqolisa ukusho lokho ingakho uzogijima utshele lokuthi yona ibiza ngama-Israelites la namhlanje because nale nkolo leyo abashayeli wona lo babona ukuthi eyi yabona la mfethu la mangasuke ngithi biza into yakithi ngqo ezofocus straight kulo khona kwinkolo yesintu bazosinika inkinga laba because there was a fucking policy eyayithi to hell with anything that has to do with indigenous spirituality. Obvious, they had to do this thing. Kancane yabo bethi bona bayenza kaso bexobelele eBhayibheli. Ingakho umkhonto moyefika lapha kanje bezokhuluma nathi basitshele ukuthi ushende uyawo. Because why the Bible was used to try to cover this shadow. Because asazazi man. Kunabantu bawuhamba ezayoni bafisa impepho benza yonke into leyo kanjalo. At the same time futhi bakhonzela uJesu Kristu. Uyahamba eJericho, uyahamba eZFC, same thing. Because why banele identity issue bona kanjalo ukuthi yabo bafike bacolonize kwathiwa fuck off indaba yokukhonza amadlozi. Bangamkhonza uJesu ngekho senkingeni. Yabo into leyo. Then they were forced into accepting Christianity ngendlela eyiphansi ezimatarasana. Ingakho we have all these zinkolo kodwa kancane zifaka le Bible elibhedayo kancane zifaka le Bible yabo because why kwakunepolicy eyabalimaza abantu bakithi. Christianity has nothing to do with abantu laba but bona they had to force themselves into it in order for them to abide to the rules of the of the National Party at that time. That's what happened. Mina nje ngibona manje. Because now ngikho njengamanje ngitshela emehlweni ukuthi mina angikwazi ngibuze lutho ukuthi uJesu uthi uNkulunkulu uvele inqamu njani. Angikaze ngabuza lutho ngoba ngeke uyibuze into yakho. Wazinganje yakho kokholelo. That's the thing you have to ask yourself. Wazinganje yami impela lo mveli inqamu. Awubuzanga lo mbuzo lo wona you just took from umuntu who was colonized ngaleso sikhathi leso. But mase sibuza thina kanjalo thina sibuza ama-irrelevant questions asivulelekanga thina kanjalo asinawo moya engcwele thina kanjalo asinalo ithongo soka come on.
Hey ona ukuthi wena uyarespecta ukuthi ukhuluma uzuqede kungabi bikho umuntu okudisturbayo akusho ukuthi asiyazi into esishoyo ukuthi wena uyasdisturba masisakhuluma that's why you end up ungasi understand yazi ngizoze ngifike la ngithi uyazi mina ugrade 12 angimphasanga ne ngizothi ngino grade 11 but ukulalela uyabona ukuthi uyakhuluma and silalele sonke but ungathi wena ufike e-university uhlulwa ukulela angazi abantu abathi listening is a skill ukuthi isebenza kubani kanti kahle ngoba umuntu ofundile uyena olalela kahle but wena uphendula njengomuntu ongathi uno grade 11 ya understand njengami uya understand uma ngabe wena ungaphuma ka grade 11 uye kwi qualification lo nayo uyokulalela ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi uyithola ulalela i-lecture so inkinga wena awulaleli. That's why you end up ngani ngoba nje ufuna ukulwa. I don't know ukuthi like why nilwa kulwelani la cause manje ku end up kuliwa ngoba angeke usizwe vele mawulo angeke yabona nje usuyiphendulile wayiphendula into esingazange sisho ngani ngoba ucabanga ukuthi kumele abe sisho lento ecatshangwa uwe ngoba uma umuntu esakhuluma uyamdisturba awulindi aze aqede.
Okay
ungayifundisa ukulalela university uzobona ukuthi sizoyibamba lento futhi ungalwi
so ukhalatha assassination ngama ngibukela mqede sifanye
awulaleli wena ngoba wena ufuna ukulwa and I don't know ukuthi
it's fine so ukuthi onakaleli uno grade level fine vele angazi ngasiqeda isikole okay fine ukubuza umbuzo lo simple gogo ukumvela inqanga manje
okay
gogo ukumvela inqanga manje okay mawukuthi ukhona gogo ukumvela inqanga kwelo umlethe la kufanele akhulume nathi manje mawukuthi ukhona angijabo no grade level fine gogo hayi kide ngathi ekhaya gogo mawukuthi ukhona umvela inqanga gogo umlethe la kufanele vele manje khulume naye umvela inqanga noma ngicela sichazele ukuthi gogo ukuthi umvela inqanga mayekhona ulimake gogo
hayi so buya kumamfundisi ona
kashaya u7
asiye kumotha azole musukuphazamisa upastor
sanibonani ya wenza kahle Thula I'm very concerned about this panel you know uma intimshisa umuntu yaqhuma hlale cause all confusing that's why la kuthi ngime nje ngakhuluma sanibonani ngiyanibingelela kuma comment la ku panel ninjani
Thula khona pastor yes sila idlozini ne zama ukunderstand lento ekuthiwa idlozi.
What does not exist? Human being. How can you worship a human being? Lento I'm so just jump to a conclusion. Lento ikreatwa abantu. Into abantu abayicreatele yona. Ayikho into esingayithatha sithi exista esicreator thini. Yabona, these are the story. You are confusing ngakho emhlabeni. And when God say udumise na yedwa, khonze na yedwa. Because uyawazi ukuthi akhona nama influence emimoya engafuni ukuthobela uNkulunkulu. So that's why uNkulunkulu esho njalo. So angifuni ukuyiconfuse nje ngento engekho abantu abayicreatele yona. Abantu kuphela into engayisho naThula abantu baduke. Yabona kuduke even nabantu esithi bokufanele bayazi ukuthi uma sikhuluma ngani. Abantu baduke 100% and futhi bayakhuluma abaqondi. And kuyingozi kakhulu wethula. Yabona kufana namanje uma ungathi abheka lapha panel. Khona abantu abahambile bafunda ihistory yeBhayibheli and then today bazo convince abantu ngehistory yeBhayibheli. Into abangayiqondi. Ukuphila kwabo akukho. Kuyobhalwa nini ngabo ukuthi benzeni kulomhlaba. It always beza nehistory into eseyenziwe yandlula. When bazophila nini? Bakhuluma ukuphila bona. Bakhombisa idirection yabo. Kubhalwe ngabo. Because they are busy with history. So into eningi nje abantu abakhuluma ngazi they are unnecessary talking. Mina kunjengamanje uma ngiphila la emhlabeni I have mind. I believe there's God and he's always controlling thina. Uma simlalela. He's there, he's governing us all the time. But people they try to use their mind. You know, bakhuluma kakhulu. It's because they have bafunde is imbhalo but abayiqondi. and they think uNkulunkulu you know thina sigovernor uye sigayidwa uye all the time. That's why ngisho ukuthi mina you know sokhuluma
Pastor Pinda futhi bakhuluma kakhulu batshele.
so create nini when we're going to start to talk labantu abethu bafunde kithi ukuthi we are so brilliant, we come with a new thing, but always they talk about the story because they went to read the Bible, they are confused. Abasebenza bathi uNkulunkulu akekho, they are just confusing. That's a history. Create your own history now by obeying God, by living according to God's will. Wena
Batshele pastor ukuthi siyaqonda, batshele ukuthi thina we understand, batshele we have an understanding.
yes, we have an understanding. Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
lento yedlozi into ekhona. Ikhona lento yedlozi we-pastor.
No, doesn't exist. I feel say confusing into ekhandwe abantu ngemicabango attacked by the evil spirit. Lento le doesn't
So
exist
pastor,
for a human
so
being.
imoya exist imoya pastor.
No, yengihleke ukuthi lento isenzayo umcabango wakho but uyibuza ezithi ufuna ukuthi kube khona impikiso kulento ishoyo. What you understand, if does not exist to you, it does not exist to me. Into otry ukuyicabanga ngale ndlela ufuna uyicabanga ngayo. Uyibona ukuthi I exist.
Pastor ukuthi thina we have an understanding.
Azola.
Yangizwa mfethu. Into eniyibuza nenibuza into enibe niyiqonda kusho ukuthi it's not why ufanele uyibuze lento leyo. Ngoba impendulo nayo.
Cela ungena kogcina ngizohamba.
Ongene emakhizweni uyichaze kahle lento ayizwa pastor.
Hey, usabela uzongena uzosengena emva kwami. Usengena emva kwami. Bese ngehla mina. Cha, webafethu, let's go back to the topic. Besikhuluma ngamadlozi. Sakhuluma nama-gift. Ngeke ngasenze i-example laphana ngikhuluma ngelento ye-clairvoyance. Iso yokubona. Now let us go and talk about lento ekuthiwa i-channeling. Abangapha bathi ukufemba. Now ukhona oke wathi lana angeke ubone umuntu engenwa umoya wenja. But sike sabona khona la ngathuka ngoma ngibona bekhonkotha bedla ilokhuzana inkomo isanda ukuhlatshwa beyinxanxatha ngathi mina hawu kanti lento ingozi kanje. Now lezi zinto lezi zokuchannela for example it has ama dangers kakhulu ngoba ukuthola ukuthi umuntu uyaba ahluleke sometimes to control what is coming to him or her. And you know, I would sit with Abada Abafembayo quite a lot in the past, and you know, I would interrogate and check ukuthi this spirit esikhuluma la manje sikhuluma sithini sikhuluma kanjani, and ask ama questions are difficult kusona to just check ukuthi ngempela yabo. But uyathola ukuthi sometimes kuyenzeka ukuthi umuntu agcina seyitholwe esengenwe yinto naye angayazi yabo, abhonge kube yilokhuyana. So there's lama gift lawa abuye abe ingozi is what I wanted to try to explain ukuthi abuye abe ingozi ngoba afika with a lot of ama caveats lawa angalukhuzanga angachazwanga engavumelananga ngawo, and especially ngoba lo muntu osuke eyithatha leyo deal, because we have to be honest, most of it kuba ama compacts. Angifuni ukusebenzisa igama lokuthi abathwale ngoba abantu bazolumela, but kuba ama compacts okuvumelana phakathi kwakho nalabo othi bakuthumile ukuthi no ngiyavuma ngizosebenza kanje, bese ke uthatha ke ukufemba ke where you be channeling. But what is missing from that conversation ukuthi how then do you make sure ukuthi wena ifilter yakho isebenza kanjani? ikhona any filter noma any spirit can come in and just express itself ngawe. It makes it so interesting to observe mase zenzeka lezi zinto lezi ngoba yabona angithandi ukuthi ngikhulume lezi imfihlo zalapha ya yabo ngoba ngicabanga ukuthi people are not ready to accept i-reality ukuthi you are dabbling into izinto ezi-arcane ezi-dangerous, and also abafuni accept i-reality ukuthi most of these things bazifundiswe abantu bokufika yabo.
Welo Mkhizwane yazi khontekile ungilalela noma ungazi ukhulume Mkhizwane yele u try to build the stories la emhlabeni. Iqiniso is a light of all kind of men. You shall never be small, you'll be so great. Lento lezi ezimfakela nemicabango yenu yabona noma ngakhuluma nawe even noma ngathiwa you are well educated, but something that you try to build uyayizwa umuntu enze imfakelo it just to try to our spirit are bigger than what you are talking about. We understand before you open your mouth this person is just building the stories. And literally confuse abantu ngoba even nomntana you can't talk like this. You explain a lot of things. It doesn't exist. It's not true. Once people they know the truth, they'll work proper. But as far as I can build, we build. Doesn't exist that things. It's something that you build from yourself. So let us speak the truth and live by the truth. We know it. We know it, and we shall never go wrong. But imagine these are the confusing that destroy our nations. God this one. God is the
Mfundisi
truth.
uyazi ukuthi uSathane uyamsebenzisa umuntu ukuthi aphazamise iqiniso. Uyakwazi ke uyakuthuma uSathane athi
Njengo-ona ngithi nani ngithi cause la mina niphazamisa iqiniso ngoba umuntu ufuna ukuthi kuthulwe makukhuluma yena. That is why kuzoba sengazathi abantu yazi ukuthi sidila ngabantu abanjani la kulo panel kalo ka Nancy ka Princess. Sidila ngabantu abafuna angazi noma ngizothi basuke babeka i-topic right, but ungazathi leyo topic leyo basuke sebecabangile ukuthi kufanele kuvunyelwane nabo. You understand?